In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Monzo account from another bank in just minutes. First, open the Monzo app. On the main screen, look for the Add Money button at the top. This is your starting point for moving funds into Monzo. Tapping it brings up the different ways you can top up, and we'll use the bank transfer route so everything stays secure and quick. Next, choose All Banking Options. This shows you the full list of banks Monzo can connect to using secure, regulated connections. It's helpful because you'll see your bank right there instead of manually typing details. Monzo simply guides the payment. Your actual approval happens inside your bank's app for safety. Now, select your bank from the list. For example, you might pick Chase, but choose whichever bank holds the money you want to move. Selecting it tells Monzo where the funds are coming from, and the app will prepare to hand you over to your bank to approve the transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer, like £10. Take a moment to double check the figure before continuing. If this is your first time, starting with a small amount can help you feel confident that everything is set up correctly. There are no card details needed here. It's a bank-to-bank payment. When you continue, the Monzo app will open your banking app so you can confirm the payment. This handoff is normal and secure. You may be asked to authenticate with your face, fingerprint, or passcode, just like you normally do when making payments from your bank. Confirm the payment in your bank app. Review the amount and make sure you recognize Monzo as the destination, then authorize the payment. Once approved, your bank will send the instruction and you'll be redirected back to Monzo automatically or prompted to return to it. You'll receive a Monzo notification once the transfer is requested. If notifications are turned off, you can simply check your Monzo feed where the request will appear. This lets you know everything has been set in motion and the money is on its way. Finally, the money should appear in your Monzo account within 2 to 3 minutes. Most transfers arrive very quickly, but timing can vary slightly depending on your bank. If it takes a little longer, give it a moment and refresh your feed. It should land shortly. And that's it. You've moved money into Monzo using your bank quickly and securely without typing any account numbers.